Before you start your ab prep, I want you to come seated with your feet in front of you, just hip distance apart. Bend your knees, arms all the way lifted. Now round through the spine, tucking through your pelvis a little. All the way row down, touching your spine, vertebrae per vertebrae. So lower spine touches the mat before your upper spine, and then your head is rested. Okay, so over here, I want you to keep pushing your lower spine down. So everything in the bottom touches the mat. Your whole spine touches the mat. Arms to the side, hover off the floor. We're going to tuck the chin just a little, protecting the spine. Now pushing your shoulder blades down away from your ears, and then gently lift off the chest by shortening through the front of your ribs towards your pelvis. And then inhale to release spine all the way back down. Maintain that push through your lower spine down to activate your obliques, your transverse abdominis, as you lift off the chest. Inhale, release back down. Okay, so it's just that gentle lift through the chest a little bit, shortening through the front of your abs. Keep pushing down through your lower spine, and then release down. Okay, be careful with the head. Try not to tuck your chin all the way down. Okay, straightening the back of your neck. Just a gentle extension through a long spine. Again, push your shoulders down away from the ears. Tuck down your lower spine to lift off the chest. And then return back down. That's it for your ab prep.